to newcomers, freshers to my channel Sushant's Chemistry. My dear students, today I am going to discuss about what is chemistry, what are the branches of chemistry, what is science, what is matter, and so on. Let's start first. What is science? Science. What is science? The term science derived from the Latin word scientia, which means knowledge. How get knowledge? We get knowledge by hypothesis. Number 2, observation. Number 3, experiments. What is hypothesis? The term hypothesis consists of two words, hypo and thesis. Hypo means before, thesis means theory. That means we acquire knowledge without doing experiment in a theoretical manner, that is called hypothesis. Like when Ramayana पढ़ुचे, महाभारत पढ़ुचे, गीता पढ़ुचे, भागवत पढ़ुचे, knowledge acquire करू, that is hypothesis. when शुणुचे, जानुचे कि देखि पबने किछि, that is hypothesis. Number 2, observation. That means हमें निरीक्षण करिबा, experiment परीक्षा करिबा. आसो पहिले देखिबा केमिति लुहारे कलंकी लागुछि. Suppose we take a beaker. ए beaker कोन करिबा कि पानी नबा. ए पानी भितर गोटे कंटा पर लुहा कंटा पके दबा. आवर beaker नबा. से beaker रे किछि oil नबा. this water. और भितर गोटे लुहा कंटा पकेबा. Simple experiment. देखिबा किछि दिन परे ए लुहा कंटारे कलंकी लागिथिबो, रस्टिंग लागिथिबो, रस्ट हेथिबो, किंतु जोन तेलरे पडिछि से किछि लागि नथिबो. This experiment explains what is observation and experiment. Right? Now discuss who is the father of science. Remember, Galileo is the father of science. Ke kile mane Galileo is the father of science, right? Then I am going to discuss about the types of science. Types of science. Types of science. There are three types. What are they? Number 1, universal science. Universal science. Number 2, social science. Number 3, formal science. Formal science that explains physics, chemistry, and biology. Social science explains peoples and society. Peoples and society. Formal science explains logic and mathematics. Logic and mathematics is all about science. What is science? Who is the father of science? And types of science. Now I am going to discuss what is matter. वस्तु जो होचे वस्तु व्हाट इज मैटर एनीथिंग anything that has some mass and occupies some space is called matter. Is called matter. अर्थ जार किछि ओजन अछि वस्तु अछि and किसी जगह ऑक्युपाई करू, that is matter. Anything that has some mass and occupies some space is called matter. Then we discuss what is chemistry. What is chemistry? Who is the father of chemistry? Who is the father of chemistry? Discuss later. What is chemistry? The term chemistry, this is my subject, chemistry. I love my chemistry. Chemistry, I love you. Buddha को रसायन विज्ञान. The term chemistry derives from the Arabic word alchemia. Alchemia, which means the art of transformation. The art of transformation. The alchemia is derived from the Greek word chemia, which means black magic. That means the chemistry means magic, mystery. Who is the father of chemistry? Remember, I am repeating, the word chemistry derived from the Arabic word alchemia, which means the art of transformation. The alchemia is derived from the Greek word chemia, which means black magic. Okay? Now discuss who is the father of chemistry and the mother of chemistry and father of chemistry in India. Father of chemistry. Chemistry. Remember, Antony Lavoisier. Antony Lavoisier is the father of chemistry. Who is the mother of chemistry? Marianne, the wife of Antony Lavoisier. Marianne is the wife of Antony Lavoisier. Father of chemistry in India. Acharya Prafula Chandra Rai. Remember, father of chemistry Antony Lavoisier, mother of chemistry Marianne, who is the wife of Antony Lavoisier. Father of chemistry in India, who is Acharya Prafula Chandra Rai, is the father of chemistry in India. Right? Now I'll tell you the definition of chemistry. What is chemistry? The chemistry is the branch of science which deals with the study of, number one, what? composition of matter. Number 2, structure of matter. Number 3, properties of matter. Number 4, reaction of matter. Reaction matter, that means the chemistry is the branch of science which deals with the study of composition, structure, properties and reaction matter. Now discuss one by one. First one is composition matters. Composition of matter. Number 1, composition of matter. What is composition means? Suppose matter, I take matter as water. Jala अणु water molecule. Water रे की अच्छी hydrogen अच्छी and oxygen ratio 2:1. This is the composition of water. Suppose take ammonia. की अच्छी nitrogen and hydrogen ratio 1:3. Suppose take CO2. The matter की अच्छी कार्बन and oxygen ratio 1:2. Please CH4 methane की अच्छी कार्बन and hydrogen ratio 1:4. What is the matter? Ammonia is the matter, CO2 is the matter, CH4 is the matter. That means it is called composition matters. Number 2, structure of matter. Structure of matter. I explain some examples. Structure of NaCl. Structure of NaCl, that is FCC or CCP. What is FCC? Phase center cubic crystal, or CCP means cubic close packing structures. But structure of diamonds. डायमंड पे मैंने कहा डायमंड देखी जाओ डायमंड 3 डायमेंशनल नेटवर्क स्ट्रक्चर 3 डायमेंशनल नेटवर्क स्ट्रक्चर स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ग्राफाइट hexagonal layer structures. The structure of matter, structure of NaCl, structure of diamond, structure of graphite. Now I go to properties of matter. Properties of matter. Properties means properties धर्म कहुचे 2 types. Number 1, physical properties. Number 2, chemical properties. Physical properties, chemical properties. Physical and chemical. Physical are 2 types. Intensive properties and extensive properties. Intensive properties and extensive properties. Intensive means mass independent, but extensive means mass dependent. That means the properties which depends upon the quantity of substance present in the matter, that is extensive. What is intensive means? The property matter which is independent upon the quantity of substance present in the matter. Intensive example pressure, temperature, density, pressure, etc. Melting point, boiling point, etc. What extensive means? Mass, volume, shape, length, etc. Color, intensive, order, intensive, extensive. What is physical property means? I am repeating, the property which depends upon the physical state of matter. That is color, order, etc. What is chemical properties? The properties which undergo a change in chemical composition, that is chemical properties. Suppose we take magnesium solid, reacts with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. This is a chemical change. Suppose we take hydrogen plus oxygen gives rise to water. A chemical change. Okay, that deals with the physical state of matter, that deals with the chemical composition, that deals with the change in chemical composition of substance or matter. That is called chemical physical. That deals with the physical state of matter, that deals with the change in chemical composition matter. That is called chemical properties. Then I am going to discuss about reaction of matter. Reaction of matter. Reaction of matter. Reaction means chemical reaction. We know combination reaction. That is carbon plus oxygen gives rise to CO2. We know that also decomposition reaction. That means CaCO3 कैल्शियम को हीट कर ले, हमारे पे ले CO plus CO2 गैस बाहर हो, solid gas. Number 3, displacement reaction. विस्थापन प्रतिक्रिया. Suppose zinc plus copper sulfate gives rise to zinc sulfate plus copper. Okay. Number 4, neutralization reaction. Suppose we take acid HCl plus base NaOH gives rise to salt NaCl plus water. This is reaction matter: combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, and neutralization reaction. Acid plus base comes salt plus water. It is all about the reaction of matter, right? Then I discuss about branches of chemistry. Number 1, physical chemistry. Number 2, organic chemistry. Number 3, inorganic chemistry. Number 4, biochemistry. Number 5, geochemistry. Number 6, analytical chemistry. Okay. Number 7, industrial chemistry. Industrial chemistry. Number 8, environmental chemistry. Okay. Nuclear chemistry. Number 10, polymer chemistry. Polymer chemistry. What is physical chemistry? That deals with the fundamental principles, laws, hypotheses governing in various chemical phenomena. That is called physical chemistry. What is organic chemistry? That deals with the study of carbon compounds or living organisms. That is called organic chemistry. Inorganic chemistry deals with the study of elements and compounds except carbon bond compounds. That is called inorganic chemistry. Biochemistry. Bio means life. Chemistry of life. That means study of living organisms. It's called biochemistry. Geochemistry. Geo means earth. Chemistry of earth. Study of natural substances like ores, minerals, petroleum in earth. That is geochemistry. Analytical chemistry that explains, that analyze the composition of matters. That is called analytical chemistry. Industrial chemistry, that means the manufacturing of different chemical compounds on commercial scale, is called industrial chemistry. Suppose we industry in a large scale, ammonia produced, sulfuric acid produced, etc. Environmental chemistry that deals with the chemical aspects related to air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, greenhouse effect, etc. Nuclear chemistry, the study of nucleus and radioactivity, is called nuclear chemistry. Polymer chemistry, the study of macromolecules and the reactions like polythene, PVC, Bunais, styrene, bakelite, etc. In past times, we have studied physical chemistry, organic, inorganic, biochemistry, and polymer chemistry. These are branches of chemistry. I hope this video is interesting for you, for the newcomers. I am asking some questions. Who is the father of science? Who is Galileo? Who is the father of mathematics? Archimedes. Who is the father of mathematics in India? Aryabhatta. Who is the father of chemistry? Antoine Lavoisier. Who is the father of zoology? Aristotle. Who is the father of botany? Theophrastus. Who is the mother of chemistry? Marianne. Who is the father of physics? Sir Isaac Newton, who is the father of whole chemistry, who is Lavoisier. I think this video is very helpful for building a career, building a fundamental in chemistry. Please subscribe, share and like my video and press the bell icon for the continuous update my video. I think guys you are happy, you are staying home safely and enjoy the lockdown. Thank you a lot.